Hello everyone, welcome again. In the previous video we learned how to create a cloud monitoring workspace and how to create uptime check and alerting policy. In this part of this video we will create a dashboard and charts and we will view our logs. So let's get started. To create a dashboard, let's click on dashboards. Okay, and you can create your first dashboard. Let's name this dashboard cloud monitoring lamp dashboard. Cloud monitoring lamp dashboard and click on confirm. So dashboard, we can display the metrics collected by cloud monitoring in our charts and dashboard. So after clicking on confirm, now we can add our first chart. So let's click on create a chart and let's name this chart CPU load. Okay. So in find resource type and metric, we will search for CPU load and select CPU load 1M. So CPU load and we will select this one. Okay, now for the resource type, we will select our GCE virtual machine instance. Okay, because we are targeting our virtual machine, and click on save. So now we have added our first chart, and still we didn't have any data available. Now we will add our second chart, but this time we will create it for the network. So let's name this chart received packets. Received packets, and we will search for network. Okay, and we will choose received packets. So network received packets. Okay, and as we can see, this is our received packets. So let's target our virtual machine instance and then select the received packets, and now we will leave the other section as default and click on save, and as you can see, this is our data for the receiving packets. So we have created our dashboard and created two charts. So now we will view our logs. As we can see, cloud monitoring and cloud logging are closely integrated. So to view our logs, we will go through logging, then choose log viewer. So let's scroll down through the logging section and click on logs viewer. Now, after create a monitoring for our virtual machine instance, we have to view our logs just to know that what is going on with our virtual machine instance. To do that, we will select our GCE VM instance, and this is all virtual machine we have, and we have only one which we created before. So we have selected the virtual machine. Now we will select syslog and click on OK, and we can leave the other as default, and let's start streaming log icon. We will see everything we have done before with the virtual machine, and as you can see, we have in the previous video we have installed the Apache and connected it with our virtual machine and another stuff. To just track and make sure that everything works with the view logging, we can go to our virtual machine and stop it, then start it again. To do that, we have to go to our virtual machine, and I will open it in another tab. Okay, this is our virtual machine. We can select it and then click on stop, and it will take a few minutes to just appear in our logging viewer. So let's click on stop, and so click on stop. It will take few minutes. It's now stopping our virtual machine. So we can see this effect here in our view logging. while we stopped the virtual machine and we will restart it again. It will affect after few minutes. Okay, it stopped, succeeded. So now we have stopped our virtual machine. To restart it, let's click on start. And every effect we are doing in this virtual machine, it will appear on our view logs, but it takes few minutes. So that's all for now for this video. We have learned how to create a dashboard and add charts and view our logs for a specific virtual machine. Thank you all for this video. It's all for now for cloud monitoring and how to monitor your virtual machine and get the insights and the logging for your virtual machine instance. Thank you all and see you again. Bye bye.